Alright, so welcome back to our Linux tutorials. Today we're going to be learning about Setoolkit and phishing websites. So basically a phishing website is a website it's not really real. It is sent to a victim to trick them into logging in with their login credentials. It looks exactly like the website that you would normally use, like Facebook or Google or Twitter, but all the password and info gets sent back to the attacker. And Setoolkit can do this very easily, and it's very powerful. So to start this off, we're just going to type in Setoolkit, and it's going to bring up this, and we're going to press 1 for social engineering attacks. Whoops, enter. And then we're going to do 2 website attack vectors, and we're going to do 3 credential harvester attack method. And then for this, we're just going to do web templates, since it's pretty easy, but you can pretty much clone any website that has a username and password field. Now it's going to ask for our IP address to point it back to, and I'm doing this on my local area network, so I'm just going to find my IP address. So to do that, it's just ifconfig and a new terminal, and you just want to look at this, and that's your IP address. So it's 10.0.0.20, and then it's going to ask you what website you want to clone. So for me right now, I'm just going to do Google, since that seems the easiest, simplest. So it's just going to be 2. And then it might ask you that Apache might not be running. You just want to click Y to start it up, but for me it didn't. So it's just gonna say that this is where the username and password is being stored. So we'll check that later after we send it to our victim. So we're just gonna move over to our victim machine just to show you how this works. So say the user types in this our IP address. As you can see, it goes straight to what looks to be the Google login page, but it's actually not, as you can see. Let's just type in google.com, and the password will be password123, and let's just sign in, and it just redirects them to google.com. But if we check back here and we look at this directory down here, we can just go to our computer, we can go to file system and var www. We can look at this and we can see what they typed. So victim at google.com and password123. So as you can see, this is very powerful. But something else that we could do to make this more powerful is, instead of just having an IP, we could go to somewhere like tinyurl.com, and we can shorten that IP to make it even less suspicious. So let's just do 10.0.0. Whoops. Let's click no, I'm not. 120. And we can make it into a tiny URL. As you can see, we could just copy this, and we could send this to our victim instead, so it doesn't look as suspicious as an IP address. And as you can see, it just goes directly to our IP address again. So this is very powerful in getting usernames and passwords, as long as you can get the person to log in. Now you might be asking, how can the user defend against this? Well, the main thing is to not click on links that you don't really trust, or from people that you don't really know. The other way is to always look at the bar at the top to see the actual website link that you're connected to. So if we look at an actual sign in, you can see that it's accounts.google. Blah blah blah, but you can see in the website link that it's an actual Google website. Now if we go to ours, you can see it's the attacker's IP address, and that should raise a warning flag to say that this is not an actual website and you should not be logging into this. So that's basically Setoolkit and its phishing abilities. Setoolkit can actually do a lot more if you just want to take a look through this. We can go over it in other videos, but Setoolkit is a very crucial tool in Kali Linux. I'll just close all these out. So yeah, that's phishing in a nutshell, and how attackers can use it and how you can defend against it. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.